Hey guys, so today we're gonna be making vegan lasagna. Here are all the ingredients. You might want to pause if you know you missed something, but slow mo. Let's go. So we're gonna start with some garlic and onion in this heated pan. Then we're gonna throw in our Beyond Meat. We're gonna just put some seasonings on it. I already showed y'all the seasonings that I was using on the counter or whatever, but you know, I'm gonna show a little bit. A little peeky peek so you know exactly what I'm using. The turmeric is definitely good so that you could regulate your blood flow. So I always try to include that. Now we're going to put some oil. We're going to use some beef bouillon so that we can make sure that our food tastes like, you know, we made lasagna with meat. Because one thing about vegetarian things is it does not have to taste like nothing. Okay? Okay. Now we're going to take an egg and mix it with our ricotta. The funny thing about eggs and ricotta is that it actually binds the food together so that the ricotta does not spill out. We're going to come through and put our tomato sauce. I'm trying a new one. It actually tastes really good, by the way, so definitely check it out. We're going to season our ricotta, a little celery salt, oregano, you know, Italian flavor and all that, whatever. We're going to come through with some dried tomatoes. This is something that I tried recently, and I love it. So I kind of put it in salads. Definitely had to try it in my lasagna. We're going to preheat the oven to come through with the fontina, because I love, love, love it. 4 cheese Mexican, a little bit of mozzarella, but the fontina is so creamy. Oh my gosh, you don't need that much mozzarella. Now we got it all sizzling and all that. We're going to give it a little stir and all that. Now we lay ricotta. This is how I look. Meat, mozzarella, fontina, meat, cheese, noodles, ricotta, shredded, meat, mozzarella, fontina, and we gonna fill it up. Noodles. Then we gonna layer in some foil paper. Make sure you're, you know, generous with that and put some at the bottom in case it spilled, because a little bit did pour out over, but I put some, you know. This is how it came out looking, guys. Nice and cheesy, nice and put together. And at the bottom is a nice bed of sugar. It was delicious. If you think that I used too much sugar, guys, I definitely did. But it's okay. Anyways, I like my lasagna all chopped up, so eat how you like yours. I eat this how I like mine. Enjoy.